Hello everyone, Jacob here. Today is October 15th, 2023, day 32 of trying something new every day until I'm an adult. And, day 4 of miscellaneous week? I want to say day 4. And today we have a gross thing. So this is going to be fun to watch my reaction and everything. It's a Nature Valley bar, right? The flavor is barbecue, smoky barbecue. If you don't know Nature Valley, it's a nut bar. It's like, usually they have like a peanut butter or like an almond one, and they're sweet. Yeah, and then they released like 3 new flavors, and all of them sounded gross. And so today we're doing smoky barbecue. I'm not excited. Calorie-wise, it's 130 calories too, just in the small bar. So, isn't this fun? Oh, I'm not excited for this. Oh, there's something green in it. Alright. Oh. 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 Oh, I just... Oh. Oh. Yeah. No, I'm not taking another bite of that. Oh. I'm not taking another bite of that. 0 out of 10. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, it's so gross. 0 out of 10. Would not buy. Would not try. Would not... If you ever come in contact with these, throw them out. Just get rid of them. I can't even explain the... It's just bad. I knew it was going to be bad. It's a nut bar. It's supposed to be sweet. It's supposed to have almonds. Or peanuts. Which it does have peanuts, but it's supposed to have, like, something in there. Oh my god. 0 out of 10. Do not buy. Yeah. God. Alright, tomorrow I'm gonna find something good. See ya.